quiller. Very nice to make quilling toys like doll, magnifying glass, camera, scooter, prize, caterpillar. See, I've made a caterpillar. It is very nice. It has a quilling machine like this with a cap, with two attachments and a cap. You put the attachment like this and take a strip, a quilling strip. Super fast to make. See, I made a caterpillar. This is the cap to cover the quilling machine. Once you remove the attachment, you can cover it with a cap. Like this. Now let's use the second attachment to make bigger quills. With this attachment you can make bigger quilling. See, this petal we have made with a bigger quill. You can make many other designs like the starfish, and you can also separately get these attachments like the crimping buddy, beading buddy, separately for the quiller. In this we have only two attachments. One is this and the other one is this. But make sure you get this quilling machine. It helps super fast quilling. This box also comes along with free so many colors quilling strips. You can purchase this on www.letsquillon.com. They have their Facebook page as well as YouTube channel. Make sure you get this quillon. It's a very nice kit. So let's quill on a tricolor Rakhi. I have made some tricolor petals, quilled tricolor petals, and have this embellishment. On this I will attach this tricolor petals. So we have made this beautiful tricolor quilled flower, which we will attach on this green satin ribbon. Let's attach it. Let's attach it. We have this blue and orange pom-pom. Beautiful Rakhi, tricolor Rakhi is ready. Put this in the pouch. Rakhi pouch. So tie it as a Rakhi or wear it as a band. It will look beautiful. Have a happy Independence Day. Do like and subscribe.